One of the most enjoyable things about making bread is being able to take a seed that comes right out of a field and somehow transmutate that into something edible and healthy and delicious. Every step of the way, from the smell of the fresh grains being ground up, feeling the texture of the dough, knowing when it's ready to go into the oven, and then baking it and having the whole house smell like fresh baked bread, cutting into it and sharing it with people. The entire process is so magical, and it all comes from this one little seed. We have no connection to our food. We go to a store, we buy it, we eat it. But where does it come from? Where was it grown? It has become almost a calling for me to reconnect the farmers and the source of our food to the customers and educate people on where our food comes from. What we do here at the King's Roost primarily is to inspire and teach people to do things we used to do that we don't do anymore. It's just knowledge that we've forgotten. Certain parts of the world, they would think it's weird that we even have to have classes to teach people how to make these things. It's very hands-on, it's very tactile, and most importantly, it's very useful. Everybody is interested in learning how to make less processed, healthier food at home. It is a wonderful thing to have the ability and know that you can make something with your hands. It's a pleasurable sensory overload. It's a satisfying feeling. It's really amazing and really fun.